Help, Step Clown, I'm stuck in the cream pie. Help!
Good morning, everyone. Hi. Guess what? I've got a cooking stream for all of you. I got the computer in the kitchen, a little buddy camera in there. I love when food gets cooked. Well, this recipe comes from dead people. A glazed blueberry pie from Margaret Davis. She died in 2004. But her recipe lives on. Her pie was so delicious that she put it on her tombstone in a semi-confusing way with the ingredients. I had to read through like 4 times. I literally just copy-pasted the actual ingredients from her gravestone, and so I'm going to be following it just like you. It's our first edition of Bon Appetit, get it? We're going to be cooking recipes from tombstones, historical recipes, last inmate's death row requests, all sorts of little macabre meals. And we're gonna be able to taste it all together. We're gonna go from start to finish, and then we're gonna eat it. Merch! Maybe the spirit of Margaret Davis will Satan! Enter inside of me. Welcome to the Bon Appetit scene. This is the scene where we will be cooking in it. The scene here. I am untrained. I'm a professional untrained. Hi. Hello. Welcome to the cooking stream. Are you ready for this? Track me. Zoom in closer. Zoom out further. Oh, that was my hip. Did you hear that? Okay. Welcome to Bon Appetit. How was that? How was that? I injured my thumb. Hold on, I have to open the door so I don't freeze my ass off. You stay there. First thing I have to do, I have to make a pie crust. Closer. Okay, hold on. I need to read the directions. Her directions are confusing, if I'm honest. I had to read it, I'm not even kidding, like 15 times. This is my flour and my sugar boxes. Last week I made my own butter. Okay, 1 1/4 cups of flour. And you know what I'm not gonna do is f***ing weigh it. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun with this. I'm just, putting it in. Half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of granulated sugar. That's it. All right, 1/2 cup of butter. Am I gonna measure it? No.
I don't give a damn.
That's a lot of butter. It's 1/2 cup. Maybe I like butter a lot, okay? This isn't Paul's Paul Dean? Now I'm doing a very dangerous thing wearing a white shirt. Okay, I need ice water. Ow. Then I'm gonna put it outside to chill before I put it in the oven. A very avant-garde stream. You know what? I am gonna f***ing get out the rolling pin. How about that? I'm gonna make a f***ing mess. Always remember to flour your pin. It's a serious tub of flour. Does it look like I f*** around? Do I not look like I know what I'm doing?
I'm not gonna cut.
Ooh, yeah, this is good. This is a real butter crust over here, everybody. A real butter crust. Okay, so now I gotta bake this first because I will not be cooking the rest of the pie. Now, I'm not very good at fluting the edges, I will be honest. I'm not a very good edge fluter. Did you butter the glass? Of course I buttered the fucking pie dish. I actually didn't butter it. I oiled it. Okay. Look at it. It's not that fucking bad. I'm just gonna chill this outside really quick. Soften a 3-ounce packet of cream cheese. I have no idea how much an ounce is, so I'm just gonna use this whole package. Okay, pie crust is going in. I don't know. Let's cook it at like 170 for 15 minutes or something. All right, so afterwards I gotta let that cool off so that we can spread some cream cheese in the bottom. Okay, now here's the part that's confusing. I need to add 1 cup of blueberries and 1 cup of water and then boil that. simmer it for 2 minutes.
In about 3 hours.
And then I strain that and add the berries to the rest of the berries. But I only keep 1/2 a cup of that. Okay, I'm doing 3 cups of bloobs. I'm putting them aside with 1 cup of water? I feel like that's not enough. Should I eat a sandwich? Do it up, why not? I'm serving up a knuckle sandwich. Poof, 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 poof. My pie is becoming large. I'm Harvey. I'm Harvey?
What?
I'm hungry. I blew a guy right after he was in the pool. An empty pie crust should bake for 15 to 20 minutes and the edges are pale gold. Okay, this is vegan meat. Vegan sandwich meat. It's delicious. How is this any more gross than animal slices? Okay, it's coming along. Say probably 10 more minutes. Zoom in closer.
I've got a jetpack. Vroom.
I'd say a little bit longer. Cameraman getting tested right now. Oh, what happened? Did you rewind that?
Oh no! No, don't look at me!
Step bro, I'm stuck in the oven. That's not where you want to be stuck. Okay, here's the fucking pie crust. Hell yeah. Can I get a whoop whoop? Okay, don't look at my fluting. It's embarrassing. Sucking on a chili dog. Look at my chili dog. Sucking on. It's pretty good. Everyone's making fun of me because of my fluting skills. I'm not a flutist. Now I gotta let this cool off, and then I spread cream cheese on the bottom of it. Track me. Okay, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of water. Now, if you can't follow along with what I'm saying, please check the fucking recipe on the tombstone right next to the screen. Is there a recipe in Discord? Even if there was a recipe in Discord, I know you're not looking in my Discord actively, Chris. Okay. Okay, the lady said bring it down after it comes to a boil. It's already boiling. I'm bringing it down to simmer for 2 minutes. I don't understand this step. Strain, reserving juice. About 1/2 cup. Save 1/2 cup of berry juice. Strain, reserving juice about 1/2 of a cup. I feel like at this point, I'm going to go off the rails. I'm going to change it up a little because I'm a professional cook. Oh God, I'm boiling it. Oh God! I'm a professional, untrained. Everything's fine. You can go your way. Also, I don't trust Margaret. Sorry, Margaret. Damn, it looks like a murder happened in my sink. Combine 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm stirring. I'm doing the thing. Add in the reserved juice. I did it. And then add 2 cups of lemon juice. Two tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of I'm over here. I'm over here, buddy. I'm over here, buddy. I'm over here. Hey. Hey, Tiny.
Finally awake.
What's up? Gradually add reserved juice. Well, I f***ed that part up. Time to spread the cream cheese. It's not thickening. I've made a grave mistake. I f***ed it up. Should I just do what Margaret says and just pour the berries in? There's so much liquid in here. God, cooking takes so long. I don't know. Last time
Tell me I look pretty, Chad. It's my birthday.
Okay, I feel it. I feel it getting thicker. I'm gonna mix the berries, and then I'm gonna pour it in the cake. Pie. There's 4 teaspoons of cornstarch in here now. Did it say 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons? Because I did 2 teaspoons. Oh, that's probably why. Someone's reading the directions, and it's not me. So now we're right where we should be. I thought it said teaspoons. Pie's gonna be good either way. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This pie's not looking real thick, if I'm honest. I'm gonna save this pie. Oh shit! No, what am I doing? I'm losing my mind!
I remember when...
Tiny, hi, Tiny? Jeez, Tiny, what were you doing over there? Where's my apron? Okay, come on. Come on, get it together. Where's the pot? Where? It's getting thick. Shit, it's lumpy now. Shit, it's lumpy. This is how cooking streams always turn out. Don't worry, I'll save it. Oh Oh my god, this is a bad idea. This is a bad idea. No, this is a bad idea. Don't worry, I'm saving it. Shit, how do I do this? It's so messy. I'm trying my best. It's not like I made a living out of this or anything once. Tiny, it's gonna be okay. Oh my god, it's a disaster. Gotta work here really hard.
Giggity.
Okay, okay, this looks good. This looks good. Yes! 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 It's thick! We have glaze. We did it. Okay. I'm feeling more comfortable with this. Here we go. Backseat chefs. That's it. That's the pie. We put it outside in minus 20 degrees Celsius weather and hope that it does the thing. No top, so it's a tart? I guess so. I mean, I'm following the recipe just like you see it, okay? Oh, it's my blueberry baby.
Captain Sam, can you hear me?
Yeah, we got blueberry. I'm gonna clean this f***ing bloody mess up. You guys, the air was so cold outside that I almost had a fucking asthma attack today. Are you channeling Margaret? I don't know. Margaret might slip inside me at some point. I don't know what kind of a lady she was. Margaret? Is Margaret with us? Did we check the pie? It's a little bit firm. Not completely yet. But it's getting there. This is Runa Barracuda, everybody. Hi. Welcome to the almost end of the first edition of Bon Appetit. Welcome to the first edition to the end of the first edition of Bon Appetit. Recipes from different bone zones. Recipes from different bone zones. That should have been it. To be fair, 60% of the actual pie was guesstimated. Listen, this pie is going to be so f***ing good, and I'm going to call Max back in here to give us a second account because you guys don't believe anything. Okay, let's try the pie. Oh my god! It's good! It's supposed to be cold. This is what Margaret wanted. Chat, smile. All right, Margaret Davis. Pour one out for Margaret.
That's weird.
It's probably the crust that's weird because I made it.
The blueberries are great. The berry mix is great. The f*** is there cheese on there for?
I thought the cream cheese was going to be really good with it.
Turns out Margaret was wrong.
I think it's pretty good. There's the recipe. Today we made a pie from a gravestone recipe from a cemetery from Margaret Davis, who passed away in 2004. Zoom out further. It's a blueberry pie with a cream cheese underbelly. I would give it a solid 8 out of 10 and hope that Margaret's ghost does not haunt me for fucking it up a little. Actually, I improved it, I think. This is my new shirt that I made.
Santa, kids.
You're wasting your painting talent by not using
I'm
it.
proud of you.
This is dumb shit for smart
You're
people.
just rouletting.
I like
You're just
milking
rouletting.
a little
Help,
boy
step
like
clown,
you,
I'm
Randy
stuck in the
Carl.
cream.
Oh my
Satan!
god.
Anybody who says this streaming is
Okay.